Yeah, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. I just received this. This is the new triple stripe from Bezels for the 2018 Plus WRX. This one is the smoke version, so it's dark. So I'm gonna replace the one that I got now, which are aftermarket too. But the ones that I got now, the paint start peeling off. All the paint start peeling off, so I got tired, so I'm gonna replace it with this, and I probably take the old ones and repaint them, or probably sell them, I don't know, do something with them. But just wanna do a little video. It's two of them. I'll probably do a video after install them, but man, they look pretty dope. Hopefully it's an easy install. So there you go, 2018, super dope. Subscribe, leave a like. I'm running out of videos, running out of mud to do on my car. But anyway, have a good day. Thanks for all the subscribers, the new subscriber. I appreciate it. I'm gonna keep uploading content about the subie and whatever other meets we do whenever summer get back, I guess. But anyway, have a great day. Subscribe, hit the like button. Till the next one.